The death of the LiDAR premium. Mistral's Robostral Navigate is currently outperforming multi-sensor stacks on the room-to-room benchmark using only a single off-the-shelf RGB camera. The 8 billion parameter model just posted a 76.6% success rate on unseen environments, a figure that usually requires expensive LiDAR units or stereo depth rigs. This is not just a language model with a driver. It is a hardware-agnostic navigation policy that treats raw pixels as spatial geometry. The data indicates that the traditional requirement for dedicated depth sensors is no longer a technical baseline for autonomous movement. And the specific mechanism behind this shift suggests a move towards software-defined robotics. Pixels over point clouds. The core mechanism relies on pointing-based navigation rather than traditional simultaneous localization and mapping. Instead of building a dense point cloud, the model interprets natural language instructions and aligns them with visual grounding priors to identify topological landmarks in real time. This allows the robot to navigate the continuous environment benchmark without ever needing a laser to verify the distance to a wall. By bypassing the depth sensor entirely, Mistral has shifted the navigation burden from expensive sensors to compute-heavy inference on the edge. This approach effectively treats the visual field as a language to be parsed, rather than a physical obstacle course to be measured. And the sim-to-real transfer numbers suggest this mappingless approach is surprisingly robust. The Emmi AI simulation advantage. The bottleneck for single-camera systems has always been the gap between simulation and the real world, and the recent acquisition of Emmi AI appears to be the primary driver here. Robostral Navigate was trained entirely in synthetic environments, yet it avoids the typical performance collapse when deployed on physical hardware. This success suggests their simulation pipeline is capturing visual edge cases and surface reflections that previous models failed to generalize. However, the 8 billion parameter footprint presents a significant power constraint for small-scale mobile hardware. Deploying this on a low-wattage microcontroller is currently impossible, meaning the immediate impact is restricted to larger platforms with dedicated onboard compute. This trade-off between sensor cost and power consumption is the new optimization frontier. The shift to model-centric robotics. The shift to vision-only navigation signals a definitive move away from the sensor-heavy robotics architecture of the last decade. By matching LiDAR-based performance with 8 billion parameters and a single camera, Mistral is essentially proving that model intelligence can compensate for the poverty of sensor data. This changes the roadmap for industrial robotics by favoring labs with superior simulation pipelines and large-scale visual grounding data over companies with specialized hardware patents. For builders, the implication is clear. The hardware is becoming a commodity, while the navigation policy is the real moat. This transition will likely force a consolidation in the sensor market as expensive depth rigs become optional for most indoor applications. The key indicator to watch now is the inference latency on edge-grade silicon over the next quarter. If Mistral can compress this policy without losing that 76% success rate, the multi-sensor era in warehouse logistics might be over. Subscribe for more.